Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you how to make your pressure cooker work if the lid is not closing. So as you can see, I put it on and try to turn it to the closed position and it is not working. So a few things you want to troubleshoot. Make sure that this plug is plugged all the way in. Make sure that there's no like food or anything around this rim that will break the seal. And then also make sure that this is correctly put in. Like this is normal, but as long as it's completely attached, it's fine. But what I'm going to do is look at the lid here. And as you can see, I have everything here. I'm going to take this out. And this is not properly attached to this from when I washed it. So I'm just going to take this and put it around the rim. Okay, so it should look like this. All right, and once it looks like this around the rim, we're just gonna pop it back in. So you just put this part here right in the center and push down. Good. Now we're gonna put it on and see it closes. Pressure cook. All right, hope that helped you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Later.